This room tips today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Korea, South Korea, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and let's go. Step 1. Open description and click on link Wi-Fi eSim and open website wifi.com and click on this and write Alright, click on this, open new page, scroll down and click on choose data tab or unlimited or fixed, unlimited, and choose speed plane, light plus premium and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, open new page and click on this discount code right corner and write ROAM tips. Click on apply. Alright, this is good. Order discount and click on Google Pay and buy eSim or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now and buy eSim. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.